In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to log out Instagram other accounts. So if you have multiple accounts log into your Instagram, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log out of them. Now, before I move on, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more informative videos similar to this. Now, there are two ways that you can do it. The one way is that you switch to the one that you want to log out. Tap on the three lines on the top right, tap on settings, and then you just tap on log out, or you can also switch by tapping on add or switch account and hop into the next account, and you just log out of here. Now there is a second way that you can do it. Just tap and hold the logo or your profile picture on the bottom right, and after a few seconds it's going to give you all of your logged in accounts. Tap on add account on the bottom and tap on log into existing account. Once you do, it's going to give you all of your logged in accounts again. You just tap on the three dots on your account and then tap on remove. This way you don't need to switch to the second account to log out. So that's basically how you do it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to comment down below if you have any questions related to this. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you in the next one.